We should not play off psychological explanations against ontological explanations. Even if it's
Mm,
true that uh, we have a kind of God archetype deep in our psychology that prompts us to believe in God, that says absolutely nothing against the objective reality of a creator and designer of the cosmos, for which I think there is good evidence. So we mustn't think that by providing a psychological explanation of, say, belief in God, that we have thereby done anything at all to undermine the objective ontological reality of God, for which we have good arguments.